Ever wondered how Bangladesh's iconic cricket jersey is made? Let's explore the incredible factory process behind every professional kit. The journey begins digitally as designers create detailed layouts featuring the Bangladesh logo, player names, sponsors, and cultural graphics. Using advanced 3D software, every design is tested, adjusted, and perfected before moving into large-scale production.
Every color, pattern, and logo position is carefully reviewed to ensure the jersey looks perfect from every angle.
Next comes fabric selection. Premium 100% polyester is chosen for durability, comfort, and moisture management. Performance fabric between 150 and 180 GSM provides the ideal balance of breathability and strength. Every detail appears on transfer paper exactly as planned, ready for the next high-temperature transformation. The printed paper is carefully placed over polyester fabric before entering a powerful industrial heat press. At nearly 200 degrees Celsius, heat activates the sublimation ink within just 30 to 60 seconds. Once cooled, the brilliant colors become part of the fabric itself, eliminating peeling, cracking, or fading.
Printed fabric now moves to automated cutting machines programmed for incredible speed and accuracy.
Every jersey component is cut precisely, ensuring every size matches official production standards. The finished panels are organized by size before moving to the stitching department. Experienced operators assemble every panel using professional flat lock and interlock stitching techniques. High-tenacity polyester thread creates durable seams that withstand powerful dives and fast bowling actions. Collars, sleeves, and side panels are attached with exceptional precision for a premium professional finish. Official labels, size information, and manufacturing details are added to complete the jersey. Every jersey undergoes strict measurement checks to ensure consistent sizing and factory accuracy. Durability testing confirms the fabric can resist abrasion during intense dives and fielding actions. Strength tests ensure every seam and fabric panel survives extreme on-field pressure. Repeated wash tests verify that Bangladesh's signature colors remain bright after many washes. After passing inspection, every loose thread is carefully removed for a flawless appearance. Industrial steam pressing gives every jersey its crisp, professional look before packaging. Automated systems neatly fold each jersey to maintain perfect presentation during shipping.
Finished jerseys are labeled, packaged, and prepared for delivery across Bangladesh and beyond.
Thousands of jerseys leave the factory, heading toward retailers, stadiums, and national team equipment rooms.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.